I can feel it's too much for you right now. So take a break and we can pick it up later. Take it in, push it out and tell me what this is all about. It's not fair enough to take the hit when we don't know what's wrong. All I ever wanna do is whatever you ask me to, even if that involves watching the storms roll in. I need you to trust me. Do you trust me? 'Cause I'm gonna tell you what you should do. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes along. You gotta find that thing that you love, honey, never let go. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes on. If you want me to be your rock, then honey, I'll never let go. Why? Because I told you so. The thunder's your anger, the rain is your tears. You put up with it for all these years, and I can see you can take no more. Well, the sky is your judge when the clouds block it out. You're giving in to the rage and doubt. I need you to trust me. Do you trust me? 'Cause I'm gonna need to get to your heart. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes on. You gotta find that thing that you love, honey, never let go. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes on. And if you want me to be your rock, honey, I'll never let go. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. You got 15 reasons to hold on. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground, and so keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. You got 15 reasons to hold on. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground, and so hold on. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes on. You gotta find that thing that you love, honey, never let go. You gotta batten down the hatches until the storm passes on. And if you want me to be your rock, honey, I'll never let go. Why? Because I told you so.